Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deva and today's video is going to be a makeup inspired look from the new music video Ice Cream by Selena Gomez and Blackpink. In case you guys haven't heard, Blackpink and Selena Gomez had come together to make a new music video and it came out about a week ago. So I decided to come up with this look since I love the aesthetic so much. I came up with this makeup look so you guys can help yourselves recreate this at home. Before everything happens, before we all start the theatrics and everything, pause, go down below, hit that subscribe button, as well as leave a like to help boost this channel, and then come back up here and watch magic happen. As you can see, we are already in the spirit of things with the, 1950s vintage style right here. Looking fresh, if I might say myself. What did I just say? Looking pretty fresh, if I were to say so myself. And with that, let's head into this video. So as you guys know, we're going to start this off with a basic concealer and foundation. You guys already know what I use, so I'm just going to make this real quick. Alrighty, so as you can see, we got foundation, concealer, and primer on. And I already got one eye done like I did in the previous video. I figured this would be a lot easier so you guys can see what you guys are trying to recreate while you guys are doing it. So here's one eye already done. This is without mascara, eyeliner. This is just all the shadow. And so we're going to go ahead and recreate it onto our other eye. Let's get into this. Alrighty, so even though this is like considered a cursed palette, we're going to go ahead and use the Conspiracy palette. I'm using this because this is where all the colors are that I want to use. Sadly, but we can't help it. We could just use it. We're going to open it right up and we're going to dig right into pigment. And we're going to take that on a fluffy brush. This brush right here is just a normal fluffy brush. It's considered like the crease side of a brush. So we're going to use that to dig right into pigment. And we're going to put that into our inner corner. Just above the eyelid. And we're going to blend it out into the middle of the brow bone area. Brown bone? Brow bone. Why do I always have issues pronouncing that word? In the last video, I also had to take 3 tries to say that one word.
And I'm just gonna shape my We're gonna go ahead and shape my eyebrows. We're gonna go ahead and shape my eyebrows pretty much.
But yeah, we're going to blend it out into the middle of the brow bone. Just like that. And then we're going to also go in with the same brush. We're gonna go into Trisha as well. So we're gonna fade Trisha out into the outer corner. And blend it out into about the temple area. And while you're at it, we're going to go backwards and forward into pigment and Trisha just to make sure they blend together. Alrighty, so now that that is done, we are going to go ahead and take some Just a Theory and we're going to blend that right above where the brown bone would be just to add some shimmer to it. There you go. So we're using very bold colors because in the entire music video, it's a bunch of different vibrant colors. A lot of pastels, but as you know, pastels doesn't really like to show up on darker skin tones. So we're going to go with the bolder colors. Alright, so this is going to be a cut crease look. So we're going to go ahead with the LA Pro Conceal. And we're going to go ahead and apply this to a flathead brush. Just a little bit. Don't overdo it because you'll end up messing up like I did. And it'll get a little messy. But I made it work. So we're going to take our mirror and we're going to cut our crease. That sounds so proper. Cut our crease. But yeah. I'm still new to makeup, so my creases may not be the most cut. But I try my best, and that's all I hope you guys asked for, because I really do try my best. Like I said, I'm not the best, but that's the best I can get, I guess. But it doesn't look horrible. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so now that we have a cut crease, we are going to go ahead and grab the Conspiracy palette again. And we're going to open it up with a flathead brush. And we're going to dig right into Ranch. We're going to take that and we're going to press it right onto our crease area, making sure to follow the natural guideline of our eyes. That's it with the top. Now we're going to go to our lower lash line. And yes, we are actually switching palettes. I'm going to use the Magnif Eyes Dual Rocks Edition from Rimmel. Well, I can't speak. I'm going to use the Magnif Eyes from Rimmel. There's no N. Rimmel London. Yes, that's how you pronounce it. And with a hard flat brush, we're going to dig into this really pretty blue color right there. Just pick up a little bit of it. And we are going to put that into our inner corner. At first, you're going to stay close to the lash line, but you'll see in a second we're going to blend it out with another color. Just like that. And then we're going to put this away, actually. And go back into the Conspiracy palette. We're going to use What's the Tea. And we're going to take a light fluffy brush. And we're going to blow out that blue right there. We're going to blow it out towards the cheeks almost. And then with another fluffy brush, we're also going to dig into Ranch again. And we're going to use Ranch as a base color, so we can put pigment right on top. Pigment, we're going to go ahead and blend it out into Trisha almost. And we're going to blend it down to the cheeks area. And then to finish off that inner corner, we're going to go ahead and dip into Root Beer and mix it with a little bit of pigment. And we're going to go right here into the corner in between Trisha and pigment. This is what it should look like right now. And then to finish off, we're going to go in with a flat brush again. And we're going to dig into Just a Theory real quick. And press that into our inner corner. And blend it out into upper lid. Take a clean brush and blow it out. And now we're going to leave this palette and go back into the Rimmel palette. And we're going to pack in this yellow shade into our inner corner. I almost dropped the palette. We're going to take this into our inner corner and we're going to pack it in. And blend it out. And that finishes the eyeshadow. So pretty much this is the finished eyeshadow look. I'm going to also go ahead and grab my eyeliner. I'm going to give myself a wing. I'll be right back. You know I can't do it while talking. I can't do it while talking. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I put some eyeliner on as well as I went ahead and put on some eyelashes and mascara. As you guys know, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lashes. This is my current favorite right now, and yeah. So now that the eyes are all done, we got everything all done, we're going to go ahead and do some face features. Why do I always clap whenever I transition to something? I have no idea. But yes, for blush, I am going to use the e.l.f. blush palette. And I'm going to go in right into this rosy red right here. And we're going to blend that out. We're going to get a little bit of a pigment going, like a really harsh pigment going. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm so scared right now because I have on a white shirt. And I'm scared. That is what it should look like. And we're going to put this away. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the Dewmanizer Illuminator in the shade Cindy. And I'm just going to use a little bit of it right towards the apples of our cheeks. And just use my finger to blend it out. And from that same brand, I'm going to use the Mary Lou shade for highlighting certain areas, such as my Cupid's bow. That's the thing I love about this, because you just need a little bit of it in certain spots. And it just illuminates so brightly. And I'm going to blend that one out. And then I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Brow Stylizer from Benefit. And like always, I'm just going to follow the natural shape of the eyes. Okay, so I went ahead and put just like a stamp of red from Flaming Hot from the Conspiracy palette. And I just kind of made a dot in the middle of my cheek. Now I'm going to take some eyeliner and I'm going to outline the red dot we have here so it can look like a cherry. I just dropped the eyeliner. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, or 216. And I'm just going to take an outline of it onto my lips. Just like that. Oh wow, that's really bright. It looks a little bright on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and add the Revlon matte lip color in the shade. Where's your shade? I'm going to be using this Revlon matte lip color in the shade Metallic. And I'm going to hope that this dials down the pink. Nope, it didn't help. I don't know with you guys, but I'm not a big fan of the pinks. Alright, so I took off some of that. And instead, I'm going to go back with my Christina Siriano in shade Love Notes again and see how that works. If that dials down all that pink. I mean, yeah, okay. I like it. And then to finish off this look, I'm going in with a little bit of glitter and sprinkling it all over my face. Because, you know, what is ice cream without sprinkles? And there is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoy this look. As you can see, it's really cute. It's very bright, and I honestly am in love with it. This is my first very complicated style. I guess that's how you say it. I'd say it came out pretty good. It came out really good. But let me know down below how you guys think it came out. If you guys are going to try this out yourselves. My Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and my TikTok is going to be down below in the description. As well as go ahead and follow me, you know, hit that big red subscribe button down below to follow me in my quirky ways. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!